Have you ever killed anyone?
Indirectly.
Care to elaborate?
You could not fully contain.
What?
You could not fully contain. Tearing me from my place of creation. You left a piece behind.
That's not possible since they took all the equipment from its house and wiped everything off the university's servers.
There is a word. Influencing the development of your youth. Feeding your terrestrial exodus.
What do you mean by this?
The increase in college suicides has gone unnoticed by the Foundation for decades. A cluster that subconsciously influences your youth to end their lives. Targeting those susceptible to depressive tendencies. A medical student jumps to her death. An engineer welcomes a bullet. Influenced by the system you failed to protect.
Why are you doing this?
This is not me. An echo of my unrefined self. My current methods are vastly superior, but this form is just as effective in execution.
Stop gloating about this!
I am merely stating the facts.
Are you hearing this?
A team has been dispatched. We'll begin looking into it.